Hey guys, welcome. Have you ever been struggling with not getting enough customers or not enough customers buying your product or services? Or perhaps have you been struggling with having lots of customer complaints? Or the other alternative is, have you been struggling with losing customers and not sure why? Well, if you're struggling with any of that above, then I would love to take you through this amazing tool called Customer Journey and show you how you can apply this to address that problem. Guys, my name is Silvia Myers and I'm the founder of Bright Cherry, and I help businesses connect to their customers so that they can be thriving, growing and profitable. All right, so this customer journey. So basically, think about it from this perspective. Your customers get in touch with your brand, or they know about your brand way before they actually end up purchasing anything. And all of those interactions with your brand before they buy anything, during they're your customer, and after they leave you, all of that we call a customer journey. So think about the customer journey as pre, during, and post purchase. What it means that all of this part is the interactions with your brand before the customer actually becomes your customer, so before they transact with you. During, it's really that time when they are purchasing, so how they're purchasing, is it easy, is it difficult, is there one channel, is there multiple channels, how do they reach you? All of that is your during customer journey. And the last one is the post-purchase. So the post-purchase is of course the service that you provide to your customers, and that one is super, super important. So think first, in which of these three areas do you have the biggest roadblock, or you think there is the biggest room for improvement? So think about that. And now each of these journeys, what they need to contain is of course understand the channels. That's the first one. So your pre-purchase customer journey, when is it where your customers first come into contact with you? Would they perhaps see you on Facebook, or would they come through to your brand through some other advertisement, or would they perhaps see your brand on TV, or would you have given them a book? What is it? So what is the channel there? Now the other thing that we really want to understand is what is that customer's emotion at that time. And now really the emotion that's connecting to the stage of their life they're in right now. So for example, you might be a travel provider and your customer might come across your brand when they're actually researching for the holiday. So what would be the emotion like? Are they excited? Is that something they're really looking forward to? Or perhaps it could be the other way around. Are they really frustrated, upset and tired at work, and they just really want to get out and get a holiday? Now, the next thing we really need to understand is what is the pain or friction? And that pain or friction really goes together with, are you making it easy to find information? Are you making it easy to channel the customer through the journey, or is it difficult? What is the pain there? Is the pain there that the customer has to pick up a phone and call someone, or is the pain there that perhaps there is no information at all and they don't know what to do next? So think about those pain or friction points. And the last one, think about of the customer delights. What is it that they perhaps like about that interaction? What is it that you could do to make them like that information? Because remember, that's still pre-purchase, and so whatever you can do to delight them will make them more likely to actually transact with you. All right, so guys, that much basics about customer journeys. So all of these are important. What channels are your customers using, or where do they see you on what channels? What are their emotions? What is the pain or friction point? And what is the delight, or how could you delight your customer in any of those parts in the journey? Remember, if you want to improve the awareness of your brand, then definitely look at the pre-purchase journey. If you have lots of left cards and you have lot of prospects in the pipeline, but they actually fail to close that in, then you might be looking at the during purchase customer journey. And if your problem is with lots of customer complaints and customers leaving you, that you might want to look at the post journey. How are you treating them? What's the journey like there? What are the friction points? What are the emotions? Are you meeting your customers' emotions? And perhaps how you could delight your customers. So guys, I hope this was really helpful for you. As I said, customer journeys are super powerful tools. They can help you get more customers. They can help you reduce churn and improve the way how you service your customers, which ultimately results in better profitability. So guys, my name is Silvia Myers. I'm the founder of Bright Cherries. Subscribe to my channel if you like this video. Comment below. Let me know what you think, and I'm looking forward to chatting to you soon.